distinguished guests and colleagues. It's a great honor to welcome you all to the Japan-India Mobility Summit here in Bengaluru. Today, we build on the vision set by our leaders at the India-Japan Annual Summit last year in 2025. Both Prime Ministers reaffirmed our commitment to a mutually beneficial partnership, leveraging our strengths to ensure security and prosperity for future generations. They set an ambitious target of 10 trillion Japanese yen in Japanese investment in India, with mobility and clean energy as key pillars of cooperation. Our mission today is clear: to turn this commitment into action. Today's event reflects the spirit of the Next Generation Mobility Partnership, NGMP. Here, Japan's world-class engineering and safety technology meets India's scale, speed, and innovation. Together, we can achieve remarkable outcomes. Under the NGMP, our objectives are clear. First of all, expand Japanese investment in India. Second of all, advance technology transfer and co-innovation. Third, support making India for the world, enhancing India's mobility manufacturing and supply chain competitiveness. Let me share a bit personal thought with you. I was born and raised in a very rural part of Japan, a region known for its agriculture and livestock industries. I fully recognize the vital role of rural communities in national resilience. And I see a similar spirit in India's effort to connect clean energy and mobility with rural prosperity. A cornerstone of NGMP is the Iceman Initiative, the initiative for clean energy, mobility, and infrastructure for next generation. Through Iceman Initiative, we aim to create a model for global carbon neutral mobility, exploring solutions like biofuels and electric vehicles. The initiative will empower rural economies and create new value change. India's vibrant digital ecosystem, with its exceptional talent and dynamic startups, is shaping a future of global mobility. Japanese companies are eager to collaborate with Indian innovators to co-create solutions that drive us forward. Today's summit has two main purposes. First, to align relevant people, including government officials, on our shared vision across clean energy, mobility, and innovation. Second, to foster networking among industry, government, academia, and startups, building the partnership needed for impactful projects. Lastly, ladies and gentlemen, our leaders have set a clear vision, and institutions have laid the groundwork. Now, the next step is ours. Let's work together as partners to shape the future of mobility in Asia and beyond. I encourage you to engage in today's discussions and form partnerships that will create lasting impact for our communities and for our future generations. I thank you very much.